Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So we're trying to trim this here so we can start building new floors. And Hollywood's already got the 1x1 tubing in here. So there's some patches that need to be done there and there. And then we'll start sheeting this floor, getting ready. The cab's just literally sitting on the frame right now. There's no mounts or nothing. We have to pull, we're gonna pull the mock-up motor out of Vigilante, which is sitting right here. And the transmission, put it in here, start building motor mounts and everything. What else you got going on?
I was just doing that. This frame is from a S10.
What was that, like a 89 Chevy S10
yeah.
pickup? Yeah.
So we pulled everything off of that, and we're gonna use this frame.
What is this?
It gets a little warmer outside, we'll sandblast it and get it all looking nice and make some adjustments to it and whatnot.
Come over here, you got a glare bad, real bad from the window. What is this, a 47 Ford?
47 Ford. We're gonna check it out. She wants to keep it the patina, so we'll keep it like that.
Well, we're actually gonna do bodywork and stuff. It'll be painted red, but with a patina.
Yeah.
This is one built for this lady she wants this logging truck. It's a copy of a logging truck that her dad had, so it should be pretty cool when it's done. But this isn't the truck that Joey got. This is oops, sorry about that, crap. You want to sit here? Come on. Sorry about the crappy camera work. But this is another truck. This isn't the one Joey had. It's almost identical, but a little bit different. I don't know. A lot of bodywork and stuff that we got to do to it. A lot of metal work. You guys stay tuned, and we'll probably just set the camera up on a tripod and just kind of keep working, you know?
Yep.
See what happens.
Yes, sir.
And the Unibody, a lot of people have been asking about it. This is a badass truck. It's getting very close to being finished. He's been doing the body work and stuff on it. We've been doing metal work on the floors. I don't know if you guys saw how the floors turn out. They turn out amazing. They're all dirty right now just from the dust. And we're working on the tailgate. And we got all the hood and fenders and the hinges and everything mocked up. Doing all the body lines and stuff right now. Getting this thing ready to go for paint. But we'll keep you updated on this too. Figure I'd show a little bit. What do you think? What do you think of the build?
I like this. I like doing body work on it.
Yeah.
All the lines and stuff.
Yeah, all the lines are crazy, huh?
It's a cool build, it's neat.
And it's real subtle, all the stuff that we've done to this truck that a lot of people won't catch, you know. A lot of stuff on the build that is gonna be really neat looking. When they see another one sitting next to it or something that's stock, because inside the cab, we built special panels and, you know, changed the cab around inside. And then on the outside, we did a bunch of body modifications and then brought the bed up inside.
Cut out the wheel wells.
Yeah.
Bed right here in the back, so it'll sit nice.
And this is sitting on a 2012, I believe it, or 2010 Crown Vic cop car. This has got the big ass motor and stuff in it. It'll have, you know, cruise control, AC, heat, all that good stuff. So it should be pretty trick. Yeah, fit on there, nice. A lot of work. We did all the new panels and got everything welded up here. And then right here underneath, everything's gotta be seam sealed and just getting everything ready with seam sealer and primer, getting ready for the body shop to paint it. But
we did have to shorten the frame up a little bit so we can get the radiator and the front end on.
Yeah, the frame horn's stuck way out on the front. And we cut like, what, 6 inches off the front of that?
6 inches.
Yeah, and then it mounts. Now this is all mounted to it and everything's bolted up. And next thing we'll do is get the inner wheel wells built all by hand, and that'll be some metal work. But we've been busy as hell. Haven't really filmed much lately, but just because we got so much going on. And this build is going on, and then obviously the Unibody, we're trying to finish it up. We've been just mashing on this thing, lots of hours into it. And then what's next? Anything new in the shop?
Yeah, the minivan, that's gonna be a custom
Yeah,
right there. That's
full custom. That piece of crap's gotta go. Just a fuel pump and rear brakes, something like that.
and then we're gonna drop it down.
No.
Oh. I'm trying.
Plus, I don't know if you guys seen it in the videos. I haven't even said nothing about it, I don't think. The new Langmuir table, Crossfire XR, 4x8, pretty sick. Build some pieces with that. We're gonna be building motor mounts and all kinds of pieces. I'll try to film that when we cut these pieces too, so.
I'm gonna make the new frame. We're gonna do a new frame for it, a whole new frame, and drop it down, put some racing slicks on the back.
You're so full of crap. But I wanted to do a quick shout out. Chad at Honest Paint Speed Shop, thanks so much for the hat and the shirt, all the cool stuff you sent us.
Still never got mine.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell him that?
Yeah, I still never got mine. Still waiting. You know, I check my mail every day. So maybe Chad sent me a shirt. Hey, guy, nothing. Fucker.
Watch the language. Watch the language.
Oh, sorry, YouTube.
So, Bill Cameron, thanks so much. You know what I'm talking about. Edge of Eternity, Bill Cameron, doing the videos for us. I really appreciate it. Love you, brother. But anyways, I don't know. We might cut this video short. Might film a little bit, and we'll see what happens. You guys notice when the camera's going, he's doing something? So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the heat. I know this will fit, so I'm taking the heat and I'm kind of walking this whole thing so I hammer weld all the way around. The gap got a little crazy right here. I went crazy with the grinder, but this one's a little proud right here. So I'll have to cut this a little bit, but I'll get it where I want it. And then the rest of it, I'll just kind of walk around and then hammer and dolly the whole thing and then metal prep it. And what?
Jay. Anyways, metal prep.
Metal prep it, primer it, send it.
Where are we sending it?
Your mom's.
She's a nice lady.
And you can see I got a little crazy right here with the grinder, but right here, this is sticking out. So I might have to cut a little here and just a little bit to fill there. And then I'll cut right here too. And I'll use a die grinder or whatever. And then like I was saying, I just hammer and dolly, put a dolly behind this, walk this thing all the way around as I'm welding it, grind it smooth and hit it with a DA. And I'm not too worried about it being perfect because this body on this truck is getting patina.
Here's how to stay alive.
So this isn't perfect. Still got some grind marks and stuff in it, but filler primer will fill that up. And I could keep running the hammer and dolly on here, but I think I'm gonna call that good. And then Hollywood's working on getting the cab stripped down so we can get this thing in primer. And then we gotta get the bed in here, get the mounts built for that, get the cab mounts built, get the motor dropped in it. We have so much work on this truck. We need to sandblast this damn thing, man.
Yeah.
Be way easier, way faster, you know?
Nice outside.
Or media blast it, you know? Yeah, but we want to start building the floors, bead rolling the floors. And as soon as we get a minute, we'll film some more of that. You got anything you want to say?
No. Can't wait to see when it's done, how it comes out.
So we're doing this one. It's going to be like a vintage logging truck style.
It's not going to be perfect either. She wants dents in it. She wants to keep the bullet holes. She wants, she don't want it to be pretty by any means.
But it'll be fast, it'll be low, it'll be mean, it'll look good. It'll be a rat rod, but I mean, that's not what, a lot of people think that's all we build, but that's not. I mean, this is something that she actually ordered. So we sourced out the frame, tore the S10 off. You guys go back and watch the videos on that stuff. And I'll throw some other earlier videos in together with this, I think, as long as the video's not too long. But I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video. Later.